Hello, dear Leo. Welcome back to my channel. This is your February's last week's exclusive love reading. So, if you are in a relationship, complicated situationship, or marriage, this reading is for you. If you are a Leo, Sun, Moon, or Rising, the sign that you resonate with the most, you can watch that reading. Your cards are already out, so let's see how your love life is going to be from February 24th till the March 2nd. You've got the Eight of Suns and the Four of Stars, and you've also got the Seven of Moons and the Six of Suns. So first of all, I do see that some of you are going through a breakup or relationship no contact situation. Some of you could have even blocked each other. I do see that you are in a very depressive energy, waiting for a reconciliation, but it hasn't happened for a very long time. I also see that this has caused you a lot of hurt. Maybe it was a very bad breakup. Maybe you guys had an argument, or maybe the other person never took the responsibility or accountability for their actions and they just left you. Now you have been praying for this person to come back, and well, a good news coming your way that the reconciliation is very much possible in the last week of February or the first week of March. So this person will come back and you both will celebrate a new beginning, a new name to this relationship. If in the past I do see that if this person did not commit to you, did not want to get married to you, now their mindset has changed, something has changed, and they would want to settle down now. They want to come back home and they feel you are their home. They want to give you commitment and they want to start a family with you. To all those who are looking for a new partner, like a new relationship or marriage, who don't want a reconciliation, I do see that your expectations or your standards are very, very high. Having high standards is good, but having too high expectations is not good. Like they have to be a multi-millionaire or a big house, or I should settle abroad only, because sometimes that might not happen, right? It could be that you are not getting exactly what you're looking for. So you do need a reality check. You do need to find something which is very much in your power, because I do see that you are creating a lot of fantasies, that somebody will get down on one knee and propose me. Yes, that's very much possible, but at the same time there is something which you will know, that everyone will be telling you also, that this is a little too much expectation, right? So please, the cards are asking you, Leos, to curb down the expectations a bit, because I do see you creating fantasies in your head rather than actually seeing the actual person, right? Or the reality check. I do see, yes, you are also ready to settle down and your partner is also ready to settle down. So you will be looking for a marriage material kind of a person. I also see that this person could be at a distance, who will specially travel to come and see you, or you will travel to come and see this person, right? Some sort of travel is included, of course, but again, please do not create too many fantasies in your head regarding your relationships or marriage, because it's not gonna maybe level up with you, and then you will get hurt. So yes, but overall, if I see Leos, I don't know why I'm stuttering, but overall, if I see Leos, it's a very good week for you, because reconciliation is happening, new beginning is happening, someone not giving you commitment is ready to give you commitment, right? So it is a beautiful reading. So if you resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you would like to book a personal reading or would like to do any ritual, because February 27th is here, which is a new moon, very good for a blockage removal ritual. If you think there are any blockages in your career, in your love life, in your family, health, anything, you can always book that. Now this starts at February 27th morning. The ritual starts in the morning. So please make your bookings today. You can either email me at astasharma842@gmail.com, or you can follow me on Instagram for all the updates, and DM me if you need any booking, if you need any reading or ritual. The description box has all the details. It has all the prices. It's minimal. It's very budgeted prices. My maximum charge is only 1,000 something, and my minimum charge starts at 170. It is this low because I want to reach the masses. I want to help the masses. I want as many people can afford my services, so that there's more clarity and they get more clarity about their life in general. Okay, so take care of yourself, Leo, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.